So let us get started. Let's first put a column with screen, then we do a text input, then a button 1, and there's a row with 2 labels. The second one will be label, the ID will be label 10. So let us make the row a little bit wider. It's here, so space around. And also we're going to have to add a map. So over here, we're gonna add a map. Okay, so over here it should say temperature is, then this should be blank, it will say the temperature over here. And let's make the height fit content so that the map can be perfectly shown. Type the city here, and this one should say find. Okay, so there should be an invisible component saying, yeah, web API. Yeah, okay, so now we're done with our design components. It'll be very quick, and let us go into the code. So first we have to do when button 1 is clicked, then we're gonna put a function. This function should say temperature, so it should execute the function. Then we have to set the web API URL to, we have to get a join with 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will need to copy this. Let's make everything, yeah, copy. Okay, so right now you have to copy me whatever I do. It's because this is a lot of stuff that we have to put down. So here, to do InDesign units is equal to imperial HTTP. No, I think we can do last. That one last. And this one should say another Anderson with a app ID is equal to. Okay, this is gonna be really hard. So there's yeah, and finally this one. Q over here, it stands for query or like a question, and over here is going to be text input. Text inputs text. Yeah. Okay, so what everything is saying is that we need to go into a website, open weathermap.org, then we have to find out the weather, and the query, like the question, is equal to, like, since there's already weather, that means find the weather of whatever city you put in there, Buffalo Grove, New York, London, anything. And then you have to, and all this gibberish just states what is the weather. And yeah, so we have to go over here. We have to do call web APIs get the set the label temps text to, yeah, we have to go and get a join, and inside that join we have to go into here into objects. So we have to get property of an object. Let's just put an F over here, it means Fahrenheit, and get another property of an object. And then you have to do get object from JSON, and it should say response. Get property temp, this one should say main, let's put a space so that it does the F. Now what you have to do, copy it, set map, yeah, maps latitude to get property of object lat to get property chord. Oh yeah, we have to copy this down, main, then chord, then same thing, get that one out, copy it, do the same thing for longitude. Basically Earth is split into many lines that we like, it's not literally, we put that in the map, it's not, there's not really lines like the equator, that's just something that we describe, but so we can pinpoint any location using that. And I think 0, 0 on the longitude latitude scale, I think it's somewhere in England, I'm not sure. So yeah, okay, so yeah, let's get back. No, let's go back into here. I think everything's done. Yep, everything is done. Now here the map will not be shown. Over here, oh no, the map will not be shown, it will only be shown on a, what do you call it, yeah, on an iPhone. So here, what is London? 42.39 Fahrenheit. Let's switch it up. What is the temperature of London? Bruh. Okay, in far at 44, 42.3. Oh, yeah, it's kind of close, just 1.61 degrees away. I mean, that won't make that much of a difference. Global warming, right there. Okay, yeah. So I hope you had learned a lot of stuff today, is because this one we're gonna be using a lot of these cool stuff like web API, and even using the same thing you can even try to find what is the maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature, what is the humidity, what is the wind speed, and other stuff that meteorologists use. So well, see you in the next video. Bye.